Remote work depends totally on the connectivity to the internet. Here at the marina we have a Wi-Fi hotspot and a very big building where we can sit with our computers or laptops. We have a library, place to play, place to watch TVs, and we have some desk where we receive the packages from the mail. And today is a very special day because I receive a new toy.
7 or 8, under 10.
Really?
I think. Yeah.
The Starlink package is very simple. It contains a metallic base, the antenna, a little heavy, 9.2 pounds. The hotspot, router, instructions, and the instructions. Very simple instructions. Just put the antenna in the base, connect that cable to the router. That cable is for outside, so you can extend that cable to your roof or in the floor. Even a kid can set up this. Now we only need power. Super easy. Now we are going to test. First we need to set up the Wi-Fi password for the router. Really is only that, and the antenna does the rest. The antenna changed its direction and started looking for the satellites.
This is really slow. Very slow.
Uploading is
At the beginning it was very slow.
Let's see if it streams Netflix. Starlink.
Wow, now it's faster.
Now it's faster. Yeah.
Download, it doesn't say, but download 187 is good.
Okay. I'm impressed. Very good. Good connection. And all you need is a power supply.
Yeah.
And you can take it anywhere. Yeah. You can really work anywhere now. No more hotspot.
Yeah.
You know, you just set up shop, and as long as you have power, I'm gonna have to get one.
For example, here in the back country.
That's it. It's pictures.
And that way, the whole world can figure that out.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
great.
it's also that simple. That's all you need.
Right.
Yeah, it's the first time we read.
Yeah, I've never seen anything that simple.
Right.
I connected my cell phone to check how it works, and really the connectivity was incredible. It was much better than the hotspot at the marina. The navigation was perfect. I mean, normal. I could see videos. I can make a video call with a friend in Mexico, and everything was perfect. Then I moved a little the antenna, and what I noticed is that after I move it a little, the antenna doesn't change the speed, but if I move it a lot, then it corrects. Usually the speed here at the marina, that is static, was going down, was 200 to 300 megabits per second, and uploading something, it was between 20 and 40 megabits per second. Then I moved to the boat. I put the antenna in the bow of the boat, and I tried. Really what I noticed is that the speed is even better sometimes in the boat. Maybe because it's really open. We don't have a. We have only the mast that is near, but we don't have walls or something. Uh, um, Also, I had to try several times because the speed doesn't depend only on the speed of the Starlink network. It depends on the speed of the servers or how many people are connecting to a server where the test is. But I think most important than checking the speed of the test is checking how your work performs in this computer. So I start going to web pages. For example, I Google here something and it was super fast. Then I enter to this web page and almost immediately everything opens, even the videos, all the publicity show up immediately. The boat wasn't moving a lot, so the antenna didn't change the direction. Sometimes it loses the connection for a few seconds, less than a second. It's okay. So now let's check a YouTube video. You can see the quality of the video. That means that the system detected that we have a very good speed, so it's sending all the images in high quality. Here you can tell when I change to another part of the video that is almost immediately. I think that the little delay is because YouTube, not because the Starlink system. Everything looks really fast.
Known as Lighthouse Point, Lighthouse Beach is the place to be. The limestone rock swirls.
But for us, it's much more important the weather or the information for navigation. So let's check another web page. This is for the weather and the wind. In this one we can see the direction of the wind every day of the next week. Obviously that could change, but we can tell all the information, all the details, especially if you are going from a point A to point B. You need the weather everywhere because the wind can change. Also, for example, here I can see information about the places that are dangerous or places where I can anchor or visit. This is the InReach. This is the system that I also have, that I also used. It's like a pager that uses a satellite system also. But although this is, I love that thing, but I only can send messages of around 200 bytes, 200 letters, and wait until it connects, and then I can receive a response from the other person in 3 to 5 minutes. And that's really important if you are in danger or if you need critical information. But for example, one time I needed the information about the weather, and really it was totally difficult to receive the weather. This system has a weather information, but it's really bad. I mean it's not bad, but it's really difficult to rely on that because it's usually only the speed of the wind and the direction during the whole day or a few hours. I mean it's like comparing a picture with a movie. Okay, I'm going to check more about the cell phone these days, and I'm going to produce another video. Thank you very much. See you soon.
But the road was a little bit.